Two algorithms. Same graph. Completely different paths. This is the difference that shows up in every technical interview. And most developers get it wrong until they see it visually. Watch BFS first. Breadth. First search starts at node 0 and does something very specific. It visits every single neighbor before going deeper. Notice the pattern. Level 1 first, then every node at level 2, then level 3. It spreads outward like a wave, touching every node at the same distance before moving further. This is why BFS guarantees the shortest path. Every node is visited in order of its distance from the start. Now watch DFS. Depth. First search takes a completely different approach. Instead of spreading outward level by level, it commits to one path and follows it as deep as possible, all the way to the end. Only then does it backtrack and try another direction. See how different the traversal order is. BFS explored methodically, level by level. DFS dove straight down one branch before trying another. Same graph, same starting node, two completely different journeys. BFS uses a queue, process the front, add neighbors to the back. That is why it explores level by level. DFS uses a stack, process the top, add neighbors to the top. That is why it goes deep before going wide. The rule is simple. Need the shortest path between two nodes? Use BFS. Need to explore every possible path? Use DFS. GPS navigation uses BFS. Maze solving uses DFS. Cycle detection uses DFS. Social network degrees of separation, that is BFS. Two algorithms, one graph. Now you will never confuse them again. If this visualization helped you finally understand the difference, smash that like button and subscribe. New algorithm every week. And share this with whoever in your team still gets BFS and DFS mixed up. You know exactly who that is.